So, just got back from EO earlier today. So, I actually got my glasses. We're gonna start unboxing them kasi may promotion na ngayon na if you build the 2,580 glass, you can actually build one for as low as 599. So, here we go. This is glass that I built for the promo. This is from my sister. And here it is. It's what do you call this? Ultim with titanium IP temples. So ito yung maganda dun kasi may titanium yung ano niya, temples niya. Ito. Tapos napaka lightweight din. It's very convenient. Di pa to na change ng lens kasi nag-antay pa ako sa kapatid ko na kunin niya to. And it's quite convenient, honestly. Maganda. Tsaka yung ano niya, yung freebies niya na storage. Ganda din. Ito na. So, we're gonna put that back. Ganda. Foldable pala. Teka, try natin siya. Ito, so pwede nyo siya na-store. Hindi siya kanong bulky. Tsaka may ano pa siya. Yung trapo ng ano, lens pag na-smudge. Okay, let's go back to the main point. Saglit lang, inaayos ko pa kasi para di siya masagwa tignan. Ito na. Okay, we're good. And I'm gonna go ahead and check out my glass, which I handpicked myself. Ito yung packaging nila. So let's start opening it up. Masyadong excited na. Ganda pala. May mga napasalo dito. Before I went out, they told me it has freebies. Ito is yung parang stopper sa likod na hindi siya matanggal. Ito. Mga na to pag nagbibiyahe ka para hindi mahulog yung glasses mo or may ginagawa ka. Napaka-convenient talaga. Tsaka isa pa is parang natin ito dito. There we go. We got the extras. Which I don't know what this is. Pero isa lang naman to dito. Okay. Ito. Extra, kung makita nyo may extra temples dyan. Tsaka 4 extra screws. Kung baka pag nag-replace ka, mawalan ka ng screw or baka mag-rust yung screws is may replacement ka na. So, may parang maliit yung tweezer dito para hindi mawala yung mga screws pag nilagay mo sa ano. Ayan na. Ayan ako first time. Sa ilang beses nung balik-balik sige. Ito pa yung ano. Tapos, let's open up the glass. Glass and what do I wear? Ito. The main thing. Ganda. Yung packaging nila. Swabe. Kaso yung pastel color, hindi ko talaga bet yung pastel color. Ito yung freebies nila eh. Wala akong magawa. Pero at least, it's so decent to look at. Oh, wow. Okay. Ito. Another freebies nila is yung hindi ko naman saan dun lagay yung parang screwdriver ko noon. Pero mas maganda to kasi compact. Ito. Side to side. Yung screw Phillips tsaka yung flathead screwdriver niya. Ganda. It's worth the price. Ito din. Hindi ko na kukunin kasi may review to. Ito yung ito yung ano niya, yung parang wiper niya sa lens. Tsaka na din ng color. Tapos ito na yung glass. Kasi tingnan niya kasi magnetic siya. Pwede mo tanggalin. At ito yung main glass mo. So if you're going out for travel or hindi ka na ako, minsan kasi may iba na bet nilang yung photochromic. Kaya kung galing na ako photochromic, ayaw ko talaga. Promise. For my own taste. But at least this is very convenient. Yung problema lang is huwag mo lang walain to kasi wala silang replacement. Mahirap to. Tapos ito yung eyeglass. Ang ganda, ang solid talaga. Nakadengado. Tapos may mga temper. Tapos ito yun, adjustable pa din sa gilid. Maganda yung quality niya. Napaka-solid. Test natin. Wow. So you can see everything. Okay, ito na. Yung parang sunglass mode niya. Okay. Diba, suabe. At least, it's quite aesthetic and very convenient as well. Tapos, quality-wise, it's technically good. Tsaka, ito din yung baka yung mga card nila noon is nasa papel. Hindi ko alam, baka lang talaga sa price ng ano, pinigyan lang ako ng card na ganito. Solid to, hindi to papel. Pero parang credit card din. Yun. Iyo. Nice. So, I guess it's too bad. Every year lang ata may mga freebies sila. Ganun, like this year. They had their own freebies na, again, if you buy worth 2,518 eyewear, you can actually avail one. Like, for example, if you're gonna buy another 2,580 eyewear, you can actually avail it for 599. So that technically saves you a lot. So ano na, yun lang talaga yung review natin for tonight. Yes. And I'm gonna see how this works. Yung sunglass niya, sa yung quality ng eyeglass niya. So that's it for today, guys, and bye bye.